Hi guys, welcome back to Professor GSM. In this video, I'll show you the latest working method to remove MDM on iPhone and iPad with iOS 26.5 without jailbreak. As you see here, we have iPad with MDM. So first thing first, we should download the tool, the MDM injection. It's right here. Go to Professor GSM and click GSM Unlock Lab and go here, MDM Unlock. Go to this post and then download the tool, MDM remove tool. Click download. Wait. Please, before extracting the tool, make sure to disable Windows Defender or security or your antivirus software. Sometimes this protection may accidentally flag the MDM tool and block its connection or redirect some functions from working properly. Don't worry, the tool is completely safe to use. This only recommendation in case you experience any issue while running the tool. Go here, download. As I told you, should disable. Here, manage settings, disable them all. It's perfect. Now extract the file. Open the MDM injection. Don't worry, the tool is completely safe to use. As you see here, the Wi-Fi is connected and you should not connect the Wi-Fi. I just connected to show you that the iPad has MDM. So reconnect the iPad. Close the tool and I will reset the iPad first. If the iPad in the MDM mode, it will not be reset. So we will enter the iPad in recovery mode. Hold the power and volume down. And of course, press and hold the power button to enter the recovery mode. And here, the recovery mode. And now, flash the iPad. But after flash done, don't connect to Wi-Fi. Download from here and then click flash. Okay. Now we will wait until the download and flash is complete. Okay.